right, court is calling 2024 CR 6751 and 2024 CR 10332W, State versus Nadab Garcia. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense.
Megan Enriquez for Nadab Garcia.
And are you Mr. Garcia? And the cause number ending in W. It appears that you're charged with driving while intoxicated with a child 15 years or younger in paragraph A and paragraph B. Those are state jail felonies. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
And the cause number ending in 51, you're charged with unlawfully carrying a weapon with a felony conviction. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
Then in cause number 2024 CR 6751, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
And in cause number 2024 CR 10332W, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? And is that no contest plea to paragraphs A and B? All right. In each cause number, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We just respectfully ask the court to follow the plea bargain that we've reached with the state. We do believe he's motivated to be successful on probation, and we're grateful to the prosecutors for looking into everything. This was set for a discovery compliance hearing, but the prosecutor was able to send some emails and get their discovery that had been outstanding for 10 months. Was able to get it, and we were able to get the cases resolved. So we're grateful.
All right. So who is allowing you to be around their children? Well, I mean, at the moment, no one, unless they're letting children come to the Bexar County Jail, which I don't think they do that anymore. But I'm talking about the two children who were in the vehicle with you when you were intoxicated because you had smoked 3 bowls of marijuana. I'm talking about Emily is one of the juveniles, and the other juvenile is Justin. So how do you know them?
They're my ex-girlfriends.
Say
Oh, Emily is her daughter, and the little boy was her boy.
You mean the little boy was her what?
Yes,
Was in-
Emily's boyfriend.
Your ex?
Yes. Emily is her daughter, and the little boy was her boyfriend.
if I may speak now.
Oh yeah, I need to explain this
Yes.
because
So he was in a dating relationship with Emily's mother at the time.
he's saying that Emily is the girlfriend of the boy who's in the vehicle.
Correct. They were teenagers, middle schoolers that are dating. So it's Emily is his ex-girlfriend's daughter, and the other child in the other paragraph that was under 15 was Emily's middle school boyfriend. And he was giving Emily's boyfriend, the other child, a ride home around Christmas time.
Middle school children are dating now, have boyfriends and girlfriends.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Well, I mean, you have no room to speak because let me just tell you, you did 3 bowls of marijuana and then you are driving children around.
Yeah.
So you should not have been there anyway. You should have said, I can't drive them. I'm too high. But I guess if you're too high, you don't tell people you're too high because you're too high. Well, I hope Child Protective Services is involved with them.
Yeah.
But here, this is why we have issues, because children are being allowed to be in the care of someone who's done 2 bowls of, and then middle school children have boyfriends and girlfriends. That never happened with Laura Ingalls. How do you spend your time? Doing what?
I don't do roofing. I tie rebar daily. Because of the conditions of the time where sometimes it rains, sometimes it don't. Sometimes I work, sometimes I don't. So I work.
Okay, you're mumbling and the court reporter can't pick it up and I can't hear you.
I said I do roofing and I tie rebar, but because of the weather, sometimes it rains, sometimes it don't. There were times where I don't work, so I started working at Golden Chicken instead. So I'd be able to work more or less, my 40 hours, maybe more if I could get extra hours.
So do you think it's dangerous to be on a roof and high?
Actually,
Or you just smoke on your off time?
well, I smoked because it was really the holiday, but yeah, it was really the off time, I guess, since we didn't work.
I mean, it was Christmas. So instead of celebrating Jesus's birthday, you decided to do bowls of. Alrighty.
Yes,
Do you have any children?
I'm at
How old are you?
29.
All right. Is there anything else you think I should know about you before I sentence you?
Made a mistake.
No, I mean, it's not a mistake. You made choices.
I made bad choices.
All right.
And trying to fix them any way I can.
Mhm.
Better for myself as well.
All right. All right. And the cause number ended in the W. The court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 5 years. This is to run concurrent with 2024 CR 6751. All right. Next, we're going to move on to 2024 CR 6751. Court is going to sentence you to 5 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 5 years. This is to run concurrent with 2024 CR 10332W. All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. When you're driving and you know you're intoxicated, number one, you should not be driving. Number two, you should not be driving with children in the vehicle. Anything could have happened. You could have been in an accident, and those 2 children would have been killed. And guess what? Then you would have been boohooing and crying about how you didn't mean to do it. It was Christmas, and I'm just celebrating Jesus's birthday by getting high. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. In this court, communication is key. If there's an issue that you need help with, call the probation officer. If you feel like they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. You understand? All right. Good luck to you.